This is the afternoon video update. This is for Tuesday, the 5th of December. This is James Spann. Alabama's weather will be cooler tomorrow. Most everybody should be below freezing by Thursday morning, and a dynamic system will be coming in here about the time the weekend gets here. Saturday night, early Sunday morning. Will we have severe storms with that feature? We got new model data in, so we'll take a look at that as we go. This is the upper air look across the country today, and the trough is beginning to sharpen up over the eastern states in response to a wave coming down the backside of that trough. So the bottom line is we have a western ridge, eastern trough, and that will be delivering cooler air tomorrow. There's the visible satellite view. The sky mostly sunny across the state today. Got a streak of high, thin cirrus clouds down across the southern counties of the state, but the air very dry. And the radar composite across the southeastern states got a few sprinkles over Kentucky and West Virginia. There could be a few snowflakes tonight over the mountains of East Tennessee and western North Carolina. There is a winter weather advisory in effect there. There could be a few snowflakes up around Gatlinburg, Pigeon Forge, but the higher elevations will see the better snow. Otherwise, pretty quiet around the nation. We've got flash flood watches for parts of the Pacific Northwest. No thunderstorms expected across the country through tonight, tomorrow. Maybe some thunder for the coasts of Oregon and Northern California. And pretty much the same thing on day 3, which is Thursday. But let's jump ahead to day 5, which is Saturday. And we have a risk of severe storms defined west of Alabama. This includes parts of East Texas, Arkansas, Louisiana, and western Mississippi, west of I-55. And again, at this point, no severe risk is defined formally for Alabama for Saturday night. But there certainly could be a few strong storms about. We'll take a look at the new model data in just a moment. The weekend system comes through pretty quickly, but it still has the capacity of dropping 1 inch of rain for much of the state. And the bulk of this will be Saturday night into the pre-dawn hours Sunday. So let's look at the new data model fans. This is the GFS, the 12Z run. This is valid tomorrow afternoon at 4. Ridge out across the central states. We have a northwest flow aloft here and a trough just off the Atlantic coast. And tomorrow will be a sunny and cool day, breezy at times. Up in the Tennessee Valley, you might be in the 40s all afternoon, 50s elsewhere. So Thursday, the wind will be light, the sky will be clear. We start the day below freezing over about the northern half of the state. The day will be sunny with highs in the upper 50s and low 60s. Friday, the winds veer to the south. We're expecting 60s statewide. We think the day will be dry. There could be a few isolated showers west of the state. And then Saturday, our dynamic system begins to get its act together. This is Saturday afternoon at 4. And we are going to mention the chance of showers during the day Saturday with moist air advection coming in from the south. I don't think it rains a lot, but understand if you've got something outdoors, there could be a few showers during the day Saturday. But the bulk of this will be Saturday night. We have a surface low that's southeast of St. Louis under 1,000 millibars. And again, a chance of severe storms west of the state during the day Saturday. So let's go to late Saturday night, early Sunday morning. This is the European. This is valid Sunday morning at 3 a.m. after midnight Saturday night. And obviously a very dynamic upper trough with strong wind fields, a very dynamic system. Down at the surface, the European depicts a surface low that is sitting on the Ohio River, not too far from Evansville, Indiana. A little over 1,000 millibars, and obviously we'll have an organized batch of rain and storms Saturday night. And like we showed you this morning, this is the main limiting factor, the lack of surface-based instability. There is some over southwest Alabama, and I think what SPC would do in this case is probably put up a marginal risk for maybe the southern half of the state for late Saturday night, early Sunday morning, and we'll see how it plays out. And you know the deal. Once we get within 60 hours of this, we'll get the good high-resolution convection-allowing models. Right now, we're, 117 hours out. So this could change one way or the other, but certainly a chance of some strong storms for the state late Saturday night during the pre-dawn hours Sunday with gusty winds. And again, there might be an isolated tornado over the southern counties But hopefully that lack of instability will prevent a major severe weather problem. This is the flash density product coming off the European. And again, thunderstorms most likely for the southern half of the state, and especially along the Gulf Coast. And any storms over North Alabama should be elevated. And then, and again, in terms of timing, again, I'd say while we certainly have a chance of showers during the day Saturday, the main chance of this batch of organized storms will be from about 9 o'clock Saturday night until 6 a.m. Sunday. And then by Sunday afternoon, everything is long gone. The day will be noticeably colder. Highs could be in the 40s up over the Tennessee Valley near the Tennessee state line. Most of the state in the 50s with a clearing sky. Monday will be near freezing to start the day. The high will be in the 50s, and this is a week from today, Tuesday, the 12th of December. Zonal flow, dry air mass, cool, dry weather continues. Let's go out 10 days, Friday, December 15th. Got a little trough, negative tilt coming down across the southern plain states. Evidence we could see a few showers toward the end of next week. So the bulk of next week looking dry, maybe some rain out around Friday. This is rain for Birmingham coming off the European ensemble. The mean about 2 inches between now and the 20th of December. Check the numbers off the National Blend of Models, NBM. This is for Birmingham. Your number could vary. We've got 51 tomorrow, below freezing Thursday morning, and then back in the 60s for Friday and Saturday. Parts of the state will probably see low 70s, especially for the western and southern counties. And then Sunday, the high dropping back to 56. And next week, high should be mostly in the 50s and lows in the 30s. And the latest CPC guidance in the House, this was issued yesterday. Temperatures near, maybe a little above average in the period December 12th through the 18th. Had a marvelous time today down in Greene County at Bolagie. Saw the seniors there at the Senior Center, the old Paramount High School. I think the last time I was in that building was about 40 years ago, and it was Paramount High School. But had a great time today. Everybody was so friendly. Tomorrow, Children's of Alabama got a program. It's Weather Wednesday for their patients and their families. Wednesday, Oxford Elementary, and then Brookwood Forest Elementary in Mountain Brook, so a 2-for-1 special there. Friday, it'll be at Southside Elementary and up in Etowah County near Gadsden. A December tradition there. And then Saturday, it's a book signing in Sylacauga. Cup of Grace Coffee, Broadway, downtown Sylacauga, 9:30 to 12:30. We'll have all the shirts, books, hats, all the cool stuff. Great weather gifts for weather weenies, even people that don't like weather. Some Alabama history there and some of those books. We'll personally sign them. We take a lot of pictures, and we have so much fun. So, hey, if you're in Sylacauga, anywhere nearby, come see us. Cup of Grace Coffee, downtown on Broadway, 9:30 until 12:30 on Saturday. And, of course, we invite you to watch us on television this evening, ABC 3340 News at 4, 5, 6, and 10, right across the hall in Studio A. Thanks for watching. Have a great evening, and God bless.